Some clients suffer from dissociation when they engage in trauma processing. Now, this dissociation can interfere with the trauma processing, so we want to reduce these tendencies. A very common technique has to do with grounding and getting into touch with the here and now on a perceptual level. However, often this involves standing up and feeling the floor and describing objects in the room, and this is difficult to combine with imagery scripting. We therefore often use a technique that was developed by Ida Shaw and Joan Farrell, involving a piece of fleece that offers a tactile connection between the client and you. And the following fragment demonstrates how one can use that. Okay, Tessa, we know that you sometimes have this tendency to dissociate, that you really lose contact with the here and now and with the task of the rescripting.
Yeah.
So I have a little measure that a little thing that we can use. Here you see a strip of fleece. Can you please take this part and wind it around your hand? Do the same.
Like this?
Okay, like that, yeah. Now, when I see you sort of fading away, then I can gently pull. Do you feel this?
Yeah.
You have this tactile feeling, and I might say, okay, Tessa, stay with me, stay with the task.
Yeah.
It helps you to prevent that you shift away in this dissociation. And what you also can do, when we are not yet at the hotspot, and we take a trauma memory, but you feel, okay, this gets so overwhelming, I will start to dissociate. If you feel that coming, you can gently pull. Can you try it? Yes, and I feel it.
Oh, yeah.
And for me, it's a sign I need to step in the image now.
Okay.
To start the rescripting. Okay?
Yeah.
Because then the tension gets too high, and you just give me this subtle sign, pull, and for me it's a sign. And you know then, I will step in the image, I will take control, and I will protect you.
Yeah.
Okay?
Okay, yeah, that sounds good.
Let's try to use this and during the rescripting.